Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how can you personalize your iPhone, create unique custom ringtones. Customizing your iPhone ringtone is a great way to make your device feel more personal and unique. Whether you want a distinctive sound for incoming calls, text alerts or specific contacts, creating a custom ringtone is a straightforward process. By using the free app on your iPhone, you can easily import, edit and export audio files to craft a ringtone that reflects your style. So in this video I'll tell you how can you do this, but first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. For this, open the App Store and then tap on the search button and search for GarageBand. Once you search, download it on your iPhone. Then go to the app and then tap and hold the app and choose create new audio recording. And then tap on the track icon in the top left corner of your screen. Tap it. Next, tap on the loop icon in the top right corner of your screen. And then choose files from here. If you can see your audio here, choose it, otherwise browse it from the Files app. Next, hold and drag your audio to the left. And then pinch your screen so you can see your complete audio. Once it's done, select your audio and then crop it to 30 seconds or less. And then tap on the navigation icon in the top left corner. Choose My Songs. Once it uploads, tap on the three dot icon in the top right corner and choose Select, and then select your audio and tap on the share icon in the bottom left corner and choose it as a ringtone. If your ringtone duration is 30 seconds or less, tap on continue. If not, then follow the on-screen prompts. Next, you can edit the name of your ringtone. Then tap done and tap export. Once it's successful, tap on use sound as. Then choose standard ringtone and tap done at the top right corner. Now you can check this by going to your settings. For this, go to your settings on your iPhone. Next, scroll down and go to Sound and Haptics. Next, choose Ringtone. Here you can see your ringtone is selected and you are done. I hope you find this video helpful to create unique custom ringtone on your iPhone, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.